Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 1, combinational logic circuits. Okay, in this lecture I am going to discuss what is demultiplexer. Okay, so its expressions, realization of simple 1:2 demultiplexer using the gates, its truth table, applications of demultiplexers. Okay, see here, demultiplexer, it is a combinational logic circuit which takes one single input data line and then connects it to any one of the output lines, one at a time, depending on the select lines. Okay, so it has a single input n selection lines and maximum 2 raised to n outputs. The input will be connected to one of these outputs based on the values of selection lines. Since there are n selection lines, there will be a 2 raised to n possible combinations of zeros and ones. So each combination can select only one output. Demultiplexer is also called as a demux. Okay, so you can observe the demultiplexer circuit also. Okay, so demultiplexer is a combinational logic circuits which takes one single input data line, connects it to any one of the output lines, okay, at a time depending on the select lines. Okay, so depending on the select lines, it is going to pass the outputs. Okay, so you can see here 1:2 demultiplexer diagram, logic diagram we have shown here. Okay, so there will be a demultiplexer can be designed by using the two AND gates and one NOT gate. Okay, as shown in the figure. Okay, so you can observe that when the select line s equal to or okay, s equal to 0, AND gate 1 is enabled, and while second AND gate is disabled. Okay, so then the data from the input flows to the output line y1. Okay, so similarly, when that is s equal to 1, select line equal to 1, AND gate, second AND gate is enabled, then AND gate a1. Okay, second AND gate is enabled, first AND gate is disabled, thus data processed to the output is y0 you will get. Okay, so means s equal to 0, okay, d equal to 0, okay, that time y1 equal to 1, y0 equal to 0, s equal to 0 will be there, that time input equal to 1, that time output will get y0 there. Okay, means okay, then s equal to 1 you will get the output at the y1 side. Okay, that is the demultiplexer. Okay, working. So next you will get the boolean expression like that, y0 equal to s bar d and y1 equal to s d. Okay, so that is a logical symbol for the demultiplexer. Okay, so that is a 1:2 demultiplexer. It consists of one input line, two output lines, one select line. The signal on the select line helps to connect the input to one of the two outputs. The okay, you can observe the figure. Okay, it shows the 1:2 demux circuit. Okay, input d will be there, select line s will be there, y1 is the output, y0 is also a output. Okay, so next finally applications of the demultiplexer. Okay, so it is a serial to parallel converter. Okay, and also it is having a arithmetic, it does the arithmetical and logical unit. Okay, and also we are naming it as a arithmetical and logical unit. It is also known as a decoder, data selector, or a data distributor. Okay, it is going to distribute the data. Okay, data selector is a multiplexer, data distributor is a demultiplexer. Time division multiplexing at a receiving end at a data separator, implements the boolean expressions. Okay, that is the working of the, those are the applications of the demultiplexer circuits. Okay, and also in this session we have discussed what is demultiplexer. Demultiplexer switches the information from single input line to onto the several output lines. Demultiplexers are also known as a data distributors. Okay, thank you.